When organising an office fit-out, you'll often need the services of a licensed plumber. Of course, an office fit-out company will take care of this on your behalf. However, it's useful to quickly go over some of the issues you will need to consider. For example, when you're planning the location of the kitchen, bathrooms or toilets, it's worth remembering that water supply in an office space can typically only run inside the ceiling cavity and the plasterboard walls. This is a limitation that needs to be considered when planning the layout. Often there's nowhere to drain used water, and special pumps can be used to direct waste towards the nearest waste pipe. Similarly, appropriate pumps can be used where the toilets are not located in close proximity to the waste pipes. Such devices allow for more flexibility in planning your office and making it suit your specific needs. There are a number of other clever solutions that a good office fit-out contractor will recommend to you. I do want to emphasise, however, that the law requires that only a licensed plumber carry out this work. In addition, the work must adhere to appropriate Australian standards and be properly certified. I hope you enjoyed these tips from Sydney Commercial Interiors and Fit-Outs. Call on 1300 882 585 and discover Sydney's best office fit-out company today.